Alright, so we're here at All Star Sports and let's go for a little room tour. Come on. Okay, so we're at All Star Sports and let's take a look inside at the more newly refurbished rooms. Okay, so this is our All Stars room right here. It's got two beds right there. This is a pull down bed right here, so if you don't need this you can put it up. They do have the new Disney kind of like Alexa thing here if you need like extra towels or anything, or if you want to play trivia or music, you can use that. Coming around the room here, you've got your coffee, you've got your ice bucket, you've got a drawer and refrigerator here if you need it. There's a thermostat right here if you need to control the air or the heat. A curtain. There's your trash can. This is the chair that goes when you fold this up. It turns into a little desk area, so you can pull the chair up if you need it. Lots of storage right here. All the drawers. You've got lots of plugs in here. That's what we love about these hotels. They're starting to upgrade all these to lots of plugs in the room. There's more plugs there. Got the giant TV right there. In here is the safe and more storage if you need it. There's also more plugs over here and light switches and USB ports. More storage. Under the bed there's also storage. There's plenty of space for lots of suitcases on both sides if you need it. And then we'll take you over here. There are more plugs. Always good to have lots of plugs to charge everything on your trip. Then you've got the sliding barn door style right there into the bathroom. Extra hooks. Another chair that can go to the desk over there with the bed. The bathroom, we've got an iron and ironing board. Lots of space for your bathroom items here. There's a hair dryer down there, towels, you know, extra toilet paper, tissues. It does come with soap. This is our last day, so we're just getting ready to leave here, but we've got hangers, you know, our towels. Oh, sorry. Let's turn on the bathroom light here. Another sliding door. You've got into the toilet area. Oh, there's the ironing board. And then you've got, you know, your toilet right there. You've got your H2O products. Little cubby hole thing. And then you've got, just like on the cruises where you can pull that line, hook it here, so you can hang extra swimsuits and everything. Of course, you got your beautiful rain shower right there. And your basic tub. And then, of course, you know, you'd have all the towels and everything on the hooks when you first come in. And you've got the vanity mirror right here if you need that. Well-lighted mirror all the way around. So you got great lighting in the bathroom. All right, and here's a look at the bed if you need it pulled up for anything. It has a little desk or table right there, and then you can pull your chair right up if you need that option. Chair. Alright. We moved the other chair over there for now. So when you pull the bed down, you still have room for the chairs. Yep. So there's a table option right there. And you just pull it down when you're ready for the bed. And just like that. A little squeaky, but it will do the job. Yep. Alright. Look at Huey, Dewey, and Louie just dreaming away of their sports like they're playing soccer. So if you're looking to stay at All Star Sports, that was a look at the room. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, travelers!